Everyone should know the 10 ways to use Epsom salt. Epsom salt is a natural source of both sulfate and magnesium, and its many health benefits have been known for a long time. It's cheap, easy to find, and has so many uses that you'll wonder how you ever got by without it. You can also buy Epsom salt in large quantities and keep a lot of it on hand at all times. There are so many ways to use these magical salt crystals, from cleaning to beauty to natural treatments. So, without further ado, here are some things you can do with Epsom salt. 1. Make sure your clothes are soft. Adding Epsom salt to your laundry is a great way to make it soft. It works by making the water softer and making it easier to get dirt, grime, and stains out of materials. To make a natural fabric softener that won't break the bank, mix 2 cups of Epsom salt with 1 half cup of baking soda and 20 to 30 drops of essential oil for smell. You can choose between lavender and lemon. Use a 1/4 cup of this mixture to soften your clothes with each load of laundry. 2. Get rid of blackheads. If you've ever had pimples, you know how annoying they can be. But did you know you don't have to go to a doctor or drugstore to get rid of them? You can use Epsom salt. In a bowl or other container, mix together 1 teaspoon of Epsom salt, 3 drops of liquid iodine, and 1 half cup of hot water. Let it cool a bit. Then, wipe the affected area with this solution using a cotton ball or pad and let it dry for 5 to 10 minutes before rinsing it off. For best results, you should do this step often. 3. Make your hair shine. You can get rid of extra oil in your hair with Epsom salt. It's also great for getting rid of gunk left behind by hairspray and other products. The best way to use this trick is to mix it with your shampoo. Add an equal amount of Epsom salt to your regular shampoo the next time you wash your hair, and then wash as normal. 4. Remove a splinter. If you ever had a splinter, you know how annoying it can be to try to get rid of it on your own. But instead of picking at your skin with the tweezers, mix 2 tablespoons of Epsom salt with 1 cup of warm water and soak the affected area for 15 minutes. This will help bring the splinter to the surface and also lower the swelling around it, making it easier to get out. 5. Take care of your feet. Epsom salt is the best cure for any problem with your feet. Put warm water and half a cup of Epsom salt in a bowl and soak your feet. The magnesium in the salt will help relax your muscles and joints, ease any aches and pains, get rid of smelly feet, and soften your rough skin. It also helps with diseases caused by fungi, such as athlete's foot. 6. Use Epsom salt to scrub your skin. It's good for more than just soaking your feet. You can also use it to scrub your face, which is especially good for dry skin. Mix together a half cup of Epsom salt and a 1/4 cup of olive oil to make this scrub. Then use the mixture to scrub your body and then wash it off. Your skin will feel really clean and soft. 7. Get rid of constipation. If you have trouble going to the bathroom, Epsom salt may be just what you need. Epsom salt can help because it is a natural cleanser. It works by drawing water into your intestines, which helps soften stools and get things going. If you add a teaspoon of Epsom salt to a glass of warm water and drink it, it should help. 8. Stop hemorrhoids from hurting. You know how painful hemorrhoids can be if you have them. Even though there are many creams and ointments for hemorrhoids that can help with the pain and irritation, Epsom salt baths can be very helpful for easing the pain and inflammation. To make an Epsom salt bath, you fill your tub with warm water. Add 1 cup of Epsom salt and soak for 20 minutes. You can also fill a wash bowl with warm water, add a 1/4 cup of Epsom salt, and sit in it for 20 minutes. 9. Use as a quick bandage for first aid. Epsom salt is a great way to quick relieve pain and aches. It's also easy to use as a quick bandage for a wound. Mix 2 cups of Epsom salt with 2 cups of hot water and then soak a towel in the solution. You can put this compress on any part of your body, like a sore joint or a headache that needs quick relief. Last, the 10th, clean your floor tiles. Using Epsom salt to clean your tiles is a great way to get them really clean without leaving any dust behind. All you have to do is to put equal amounts of dish soap and Epsom salt in a bucket and use a scrub brush to clean your tiles and grout. The salt will help scrub away any marks, and the soap will make a nice lather. Let it sit for a few minutes and then wash it well with warm water. You'll be surprised at how much dirt this easy step takes off. And since it's easy to make and doesn't cost much, why not give it a try? Epsom salt truly is a great multitasker. There are many reasons to keep a big jar on hand. It can soften your face, help you go to the bathroom, and get rid of oily hair. Epsom salt can also do big things for your yard. If you haven't yet, please like and share our video. Click the notification bell and subscribe to our channel for more interesting videos like this.